Hello, I am Dr. Manish Soni. I am a senior dermatologist, and today I will be discussing a case with you. This patient came with complaint of these scaly lesions over knees, elbow, and periumbilical area, that is around umbilicus, since a few months, and she is having a slight itching over these lesions. And whenever this patient scratches these lesions, there are a few scales which keep on coming out from these lesions. Okay, now gradually this condition started from the scalp. Over a scalp, patient experienced dandruff-like lesions, and gradually she noticed that the dandruff is progressively increasing. More and more scales are coming out every time the patient comb the hair. More and more scales comes out, and then these lesions started developing over other sides also. Like in this patient, the lesions are present over knees, elbow, and also periumbilical areas. Now I'm going to show you this lesion which is present over periumbilical area. Like you can see here, these lesions which are present over periumbilical area, these are slightly violaceous, that is purplish to reddish in color, and these lesions are very dry lesions, and they have little bit of scaling over them, and this scaling is not very prominent, and this becomes more prominent if you try to scratch it with the help of slide. So we can take a simple glass slide, and if we scratch this lesion, you will find that the scales now become prominent. More and more scales, they are coming out. So you can see this is scaling, the superficial scales, they are coming out from the lesions. Okay, and if we keep on scratching these lesions, you will find that when all the scales are removed, the pinpoint bleeding is seen. You will find that there will be little bit of bleeding. Now this is an important clinical sign which is seen in dermatology. This is known as Auspet sign. Auspet sign is seen in a very classic condition, and that is psoriasis. Okay, so this is probably a psoriatic lesion, and the common sites which are involved in psoriasis are these sites, that is scalp and the extensors like elbow, knees. So in this patient, these are the classical sites which are involved, and the lesions are also present over flexural site like periumbilical. Okay, so this is not very common, but here the patient is also having lesions over periumbilical area, and the characteristic features which you should look for are the scaling which is present. Okay, so scaling is very characteristic. It is silvery white. Okay, so silvery white scaling over these red erythematous lesions, and which aggravate on scratching the lesion, and if you keep on scratching these lesions, you will find that pinpoint bleeding occurs, and this is known as Auspet sign, and this is a very important clinical sign to elicit in these patients to confirm your diagnosis. So this is a patient of psoriasis. Now there are so many modalities which are used in psoriasis patient. There are various topical and systemic agents. There are newer drugs like biological drugs which are available. Monoclonal antibodies are available. So depending on the percentage of the body surface area involved, the severity of the condition, we need to choose these various modalities. There are various lifestyle changes which are required, like patient should stop smoking, alcohol consumption should be stopped. Then there are various topical agents which can be used, like topical potent steroids and coal tar, salicylic acid. These are topical agents which can be used. Then there are oral modalities, like oral methotrexate is available for these patients, oral cyclosporin, and then biological drugs like infliximab, adalimumab, etanercept, so apremilast. So these are various drugs which are available for the treatment of this condition. But remember that the modality which we choose depends on various factors, and that's why the self-medication is not advised in this condition. Whenever a patient is suffering from this condition, he should always consult a dermatologist, a skin specialist, and under his guidance should take proper treatment. Thank you.